I think in life, everything happens for a reason. Yun lang naman po yun. Hindi man umulit or umulit man, everything's gonna happen for a reason.
Sian, how was it like shooting yung accident scene over and over again? Ilang beses ka naming nakita, tas iba-iba pa siya.
Mahirap po sobra because direct na matagal mo natin siya sinun parang 3 weeks, parang 1 week po siya. Pero it was really hard siyempre to be covered in blood always. Pero wala naman po yun compared sa pinagdaanan in a genuine, in a ihina na parang mayat niya sumisigaw, parang mga 100 takes po sila. So ako parang naman po nakahiga na naman po sa mainit na traffic na naman po.
May pagkakataon ba or if ever ba open ka ba doon sa dating pagmamahal na pagiging spirit?
I think in life, everything happens for a reason. Yun lang naman po yun. Hindi man umulit or umulit man, everything's gonna happen for a reason. Lahat nga po ng pangyayari sa buhay, it happens for a reason. So, we just have to move forward kung ano man po yun. Of course, dapat naman talaga.
Depende po sa sitwasyon eh.
Ang puso ni
Buhay pa rin
Sian.
yung dapat mas malakas pa rin yun. Doon pa rin.
Sian plans for 2024.
I think plans for 2024, dapat lang, we just gotta work, keep on working. Yun naman po lang gusto natin, work on yourself and just keep on doing different things, doing different projects, keeping busy.
Do you believe that love is born, so it dies, but only to repeat again?
So hindi ko po naintindihan. Pwede Tagalog, malalim po masyado.
Do you believe that love is born, and so it dies, but only to repeat again?
Ang ganda po, maganda po yung tanong, pero katulad nga po ng paulit-ulit yung sinasabi, lahat naman po ng bagay sa buhay natin nangyayari for a reason. Hindi man natin alam kung ano yung rason na yun. Ngayon, yun po, all we have to do is move forward from whatever it is that happens.
Or moving forward. Moving on. Smile. Sige na, magpapapicture pa kami. Moving forward na.
Kailangan lang po talaga natin maging masaya muna. Kaya unahin muna natin ang sarili.
Masaya ka ngayon.
Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much.